Hey everybody! Welcome to the How to Build the Complete Marketplace and Daily Deals application with Swift video series. In the last video, we created a new Xcode project from the scratch and we implemented top bar controller for the transitions from any view to another view. In this video, I am going to show you how to implement store screen. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I am going to do is, in the document outline, select the Stores view. In the Stores view, select Label and delete it. We don't need that anymore. Select View Controller again and go over the Attribute Inspector, set size to iPhone 4 inch to make screen a bit smaller. Yes, this is our stores view. I want to list our stores logo in a nice grid view that have two columns for each row. So I am going to use the UI collection view class that offers developer flexibility to present items using customizable layout. Before moving on, last thing we need to do is add bunch of store logos into our project. So let's go over the image folder in the projects navigator, right click here, select import, go to the desktop, resource, store logos, select all of them and click open. Now we have all store logos in our application. Let's go back to the storyboard now. I am going to add a UI collection view from the object library into the stores view. Drag it out into the stores view. With the collection view is selected, open the size inspector and set size 200 by 200, set section inset 10 for all. Okay. What is the next? You will notice a menu at the bottom right corner here. In order to make our application look great on different sizes of iPhone device, we have to add a few rules to the UI elements in the Interface Builder. Interface Builder comes with a handy feature called Auto Layout and use constraints to manage view position, alignment and resizing. Click Pin menu on the Auto Layout menu. Add some constraints for our collection view. Now, I am gonna select collection view cell in the document outline, go over to the attribute inspector, set reuse identifier to cell. For later reference. One more thing I want to do is changing background color to white for our collection view cell. Next, in the object library, I am going to find UI image view. Drag it out into the collection view cell. In the document outline, image view is selected, go over to the size inspector. Set X to 10, Y to 10, width 180 and height 180. And again, go over to Attribute Inspector, and set UI image view mode to aspect fit. And then click pin menu on the auto layout menu and add some constraints for the UI image view. I want to use this image view for the background. So set image circle background. Okay, it is fine now. Now I am going to add one more UI image view into the cell. Right here. And this image view is selected. Go over to size inspector and set Y to 80 and height 40. And then by using the auto layout menu, first select UI image view and add missing constraints. Go over to attribute inspector again and set mode to aspect fit for this UI image view. The next thing we have to do is establish the connection between the UI collection view and the view controller. Select the collection view in the document outline. Press and control the control key on your keyboard and drag to Stores View Collection icon right here. Release the buttons and a pop-up show both data source and delegate. Select the data source to make a connection between the collection view and its data source. Repeat the same steps and make a connection with delegate. And the last thing we need to do is to establish the connection between our code and the UI collection view. In the document outline, select Stores View Controller, switch to Assistant Editor, press and hold collection view, drag it towards the Stores View Controller.swift file. As you place the pointer over the viewDidLoad method, you should see a prompt that allows you to insert an outlet. Name it Stores View Controller and press enter. Alright, enough interface building. I am going to finish this video here, and in the next video I will show you how to populate our stores views data from the server. Thanks for watching. See you next video.